Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to review all the available downloads for your Windows 11, then this video is for you, and you can do it anytime you want. So first you have to do is simply click on the start icon and you can find settings, or if you can find settings, simply search for settings. Here it is. Now simply go to the settings. When you are on settings, then simply you can find all the Windows Update at the left side options. At the very last you can find this Windows Update. Now right now you can see all the update has completed. Actually all the update has completed in my system, that's why there is no update available right now. But you can do is you can find a check for updates. You can simply click on check for updates to get all the updates listed in this section, and you can review one by one update here. And when update is available, like here it is a minor update, if you want to get the review for that update, then you can do is you can search for this, you can copy this and you can open your browser, and you can simply paste it and you can get the information about the latest update. Here it is, the security. You can see that it enhanced Microsoft Defender's ability to detect and protect against the latest malware and threats. So the specific version you can see, and also the key aspects of this update here you can see just like this. So you can find all of this information from here in this Google Chrome browser. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.